Welcome to Total Knowledge Zone. To see similar videos, subscribe to Total Knowledge Zone YouTube channel and also press the bell icon so that you keep getting all the notifications of the videos. Today in this video, I will solve all the questions of Himachal Pradesh Judicial Service Preliminary Exam Papers 2016.
आज हम बात करते हैं पेपर 3 क्रिमिनल लॉ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स इज आर इनकरेक्ट। 1, क्रिमिनल लायबिलिटी इज बेस्ट एक्सप्लेन्ड बाय द मैक्सिम एक्टस नॉन फेसिट रियम नेसी मीन्स सिट रिया। नंबर 2, फॉर क्रिमिनल लायबिलिटी द एक्टस शुड बी रियस। 3, द वर्ड एक्टस रियस ओनली इंक्लूड्स एक्ट बट नॉट omission। 4, the actus reus of omission is well illustrated in R versus Hersey courts. A, only 3 is incorrect. B, 1, 2 and 3 are incorrect. C, only 3 and 4 are incorrect. D, 1, 2, 3 and 4 all are incorrect. Correct answer C, only 3 and 4 are incorrect. Question 2. In which of the following cases the court held that attempt to do even an impossible act will amount to an offence? A, Abhay Nand Mishra versus the state of Bihar. B, R versus Goodball. C, R versus Reset Ali. D, R versus Robinson. Correct answer B, R versus Goodball. Question 3. Which of the following statements is R correct? 1, means ria means guilty knowledge of the wrongdoer. 2, Indian Penal Code does not negative means ria but requires means ria of specific kind. 3, offences of kidnapping and abduction are punishable without mens rea. 4, mens rea is basic ingredient in a crime. Courts. A, only 2 is correct. B, 1, 2 and 3 are correct. C, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. D, 1, 2, 3 and 4 all are correct. Correct answer C, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. Question 4. Section 61 and 62 of Indian Penal Code dealing with absolute forfeiture of all property of the offender have been abolished by A, Act 16 of 1921, B, Act 18 of 1949, C, Act 26 of 1955, D, Act 8 of 1897. Correct answer A, Act 16 of 1921. Question 5. Which of the following statements is are not correct? 1, both sections 34 and 149 of IPC itself create specific offences. 2, both section 34 and 149 of IPC relate to doctrine of vicarious liability. 3, section 34 fixes a minimum 2 persons who must share common intention, while section 149 requires there must be at least 10 persons to have the common subject. 4, some active participation is necessary under section 34, but section 149 does not require it. Mere member of the unlawful assembly with common object is sufficient for liability. Codes. A, only 1 is incorrect. B, 1 and 2 both are incorrect. C, 1 and 3 are incorrect. D, 1, 2, 3 and 4 all are incorrect. Correct answer C, 1 and 3 are incorrect. Question 6. In which of the following cases the court held that when an under trial prisoner was put in a separate cell only as a precautionary measure to ensure his non-mingling with other prisoners and for his security, it did not amount either to solitary confinement or regular confinement? A, Pirariwala versus IG Prison, Madras. B, Tulla Ram versus State of Rajasthan. C, State of Punjab versus Sohan Singh. D, Kehar Singh versus Union of India. Correct answer A, Pirariwala versus IG Prison, Madras. Question 7. Match list 1 with list 2 and give the correct answer by using the codes given below the lists. A, Chapter 21(1) of offences relating to marriage. B, Chapter 17(2) of offences affecting the human body. C. Chapter 23 of defamation. D. Chapter 16(4) of offences against property. Codes A, B, C, D. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 3, 4, 1, 2. C. 2, 3, 4, 1. D. 4, 1, 2, 3. Correct answer B. 3, 4, 1, 2. Question 8. Match list 1 with list 2 and give the correct answer by using the codes given below the lists. List 1, list 2. A. Afri 1. Section 95. B. Trifles 2. Section 425. C. Mischief 3. Section 503. D. Criminal intimidation 4. Section 159. Codes A, B, C, D. A. 5, 1, 2, 3. B. 1, 2, 3, 4. C. 2, 3, 4, 1. D. 3, 4, 1, 2. Correct answer A. 4, 1, 2, 3. Question 9. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? A. Keshav Shah versus Saligram, Section 79 IPC. B. Sita Ram versus State of Rajasthan, Section 80 IPC. C. Southwark London Borough Council versus Williams, Section 81 IPC. D. Bablu versus State of Rajasthan, Section 89 IPC. Correct answer D. Bablu versus State of Rajasthan. Question 10. Read both assertion A and reason R and give the correct answer by using the codes given below. Assertion A. There is either theft or extortion in the offense of robbery. Reason R. Theft and extortion precede robbery. Codes A. Both A and R are correct and R is correct explanation of clause A. B. Both A and R are individually correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is correct but R is wrong. D. A is wrong but R is correct. Correct answer A. Both A and R are correct and R is correct explanation of A. Question 11. The punishment for the harassment of the woman by her husband or any of his relatives with a view to coercing her or any person related to her for dowry is imprisonment for a term which may extend up to A. 1 year, B. 2 years, C. 3 years, D. 5 years. Correct answer C. 3 years. Question 12. Which of the following cases is not related to the offences of dowry death? A. Kamesh Panjia versus State of Bihar. B. Kundula Bala Subramanyam versus State of AP. C. Badruddin versus State of UP. D. Prem Singh versus State of Haryana. Correct answer C. Badruddin versus State of UP. Question 13. Which of the following sections of IPC punishes for causing death or resulting in resistant vegetative state of victim during the commission of offence of rape? A. Section 376B. B. Section 376C. C. Section 376D. D. Section 376A. Correct answer D. Section 376A. Question 14. Sonu Sardar versus State of Chhattisgarh is a case related to the offence of A. Cheating, B. Defamation, C. Dacoity, D. Extortion. Correct answer C. Dacoity. Question 15. Any person who commits the offence of showing pornography to any woman against the will of the woman shall be punished with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend up to A. 2 years, B. 3 years, C. 1 year, D. 5 years. Correct answer B. 3 years. Question 16. Match list 1 with list 2 and give the correct answer by using the codes given below. List 1, list 2. A. Sexual harassment and punishment for sexual harassment 1. 354B. B. Stalking 2. 354C. C. Voyeurism 3. 354A. D. Assault or use of criminal force to woman with intent to disrobe 4. 354 D. Codes A, B, C, D. A 3421, B 1234, C 2341, D 3124. Correct answer A 3421. Question 17. Match list 1 with list 2 and give the correct answer by using the code given below. List 1, list 2. A. Voluntarily throwing or attempting to throw acid 1. Imprisonment may extend to 14 years. B. Buying minor for purposes of prostitution etc. 2. Imprisonment not less than 5 years may extend to 7 years. C. Gang rape 3. Imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years. D. Robbery committed on the highway between sunset and sunrise. 4. Rigorous imprisonment not less than 20 years may extend to life. Codes A, B, C, D. A 2, 3, 4, 1. B 1, 2, 3, 4. C 4, 1, 2, 3. D 3, 4, 1, 2. Correct answer A 2, 3, 4, 1. Question 18. Which one of the following pair is correctly matched? A. Bhutta Singh versus State of Punjab, extortion. B. State of Haryana versus Prabhu, right to private defense. C. Yusuf Abdul Aziz versus State of Bombay, adultery. D. Basudev versus State of Pepsu, defamation. Correct answer C. Yusuf Abdul Aziz versus State of Bombay. Question 19. Which of the following statement is are correct? 1. Nothing is offense which is done in exercise of right of private defense under IPC. 2. A person has right to defend his own body only and not the body of other. 3. Right of private defense is extending to cause death in defamation case. 4. A person has even right of private defense where there is time to have recourse to the protection of the public authorities. Courts. A. Only 3 is incorrect. B. 1, 2 and 3 are incorrect. C. 2, 3 and 4 are incorrect. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4 all are incorrect. Correct answer C. 2, 3 and 4 are incorrect. Question 20. Kidnapping for ransom etc. is a punishable offence under IPC under A. Section 366A, B. Section 366B, C. Section 370A, D. Section 364A. Correct answer D. Section 364A. Question 21. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court held that the provisions of Section 141 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 do not contain a condition that the prosecution of a company is sine qua non for prosecution of the other person. The liability of the directors, officers, etc. is vicarious and will flow from the liability of the company firm. A. Narsingh Das Tapedia versus Govardhan Das Patani. B. Saket India Limited versus India Securities Limited. C. KG Sharma versus Pratap Auto Wheels. D. Mohammad Ishaq Gulsani versus Raja Mouli. Correct answer D. Mohammad Ishaq Gulsani versus Raja Mouli. Question 22. Court shall not take cognizance of any offence punishable under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 unless complaint is made within A. 1 month, B. 15 days, C. 2 months, D. 3 months. Correct answer A. 1 month. Question 23. Chapter 17 was inserted into the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 by the amendment of the Act in the year A. 1888, B. 1988, C. 1998, D. 1989. Correct answer B. 1988. Question 24. Match list 1 with list 2 and Give the correct answer by using the codes given below. List 1, List 2. List 1. Provisions. List 2. Section of Negotiable Act. A. Cognizance of offences. 1. Section 140. B. Power of court to try cases similarly. 2. Section 139. C. Defences which may not be allowed in any prosecution under Section 138. 3. Section 143. D. Presumption in favor of holder. 4. Section 142. Codes A, B, C, D. A. 4, 3, 1, 2. B. 1, 2, 3, 4. C. 3, 4, 2, 1. D. 2, 1, 4, 3. Correct answer A. 4, 3, 1, 2. Question 25. A complaint against an offence under Section 138 of the Negotiable Instrument Act. A. Must be in writing. B. May be in oral or in writing. C. Must be in writing supported by an affidavit. D. May be oral statement before magistrate. Correct answer A. Must be in writing. Question 26. Match list 1 with list 2 and give the correct answer by using the codes given below. List 1, list 2. List 1. Definitions. List 2. Section of HP Excise Act. A. Excise duty and countervailing duty. 1. Section 2 ZB. B. Excise revenue. 2. Section 2Q. C. Molasses. 3. Section 2I. D. Vehicles. 4. Section 2G. Codes A, B, C, D. A. 4, 3, 2, 1. B. 1, 2, 3, 4. C. 2, 4, 1, 3. D. 3, 1, 4, 2. Correct answer A. 4, 3, 2, 1. Question 27. Who of the following has the power to close liquor vents on the ground of riots or unlawful assembly under HP Excise Act? A. Financial Commissioner. B. State Government. C. District Magistrate. D. Excise Officer of such rank. Correct answer C. District Magistrate. Question 28. If any license holder or any person acting on his behalf sells or delivers any liquor to any person apparently under the age of 18 years, he shall be punishable with a fine which may extend to A. 5,000 but not less than 2,000 rupees. B. 10,000 rupees but not less than 2,000 rupees. C. B. 10,000 rupees but not less than 2,000 rupees. C. 20,000 rupees but not less than 10,000 rupees. D. 25,000 rupees with minimum 10,000 rupees. Correct answer B. 10,000 rupees but not less than 2,000 rupees. Question 29. Match list 1 with list 2 and give the correct answer by using the codes given below the list. List 1 provisions. List 2 section of HP Excise Act 2011. A. Penalty for mixing noxious substances with liquor. 1. Section 65. B. Disposal of seized liquor during the pendency of trial. 2. Section A. C. Penalty for unlawful production, manufacture, possession, import, export, transport, sale, etc. 3. Section 41. D. Power to enter and inspect. 4. Section 39. Codes A, B, C, D. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 3, 1, 4, 2. C. 4, 3, 2, 1. D. 2, 4, 1, 3. Correct answer B. 3, 1, 4, 2. Question 30. Read both assertion, clause A and reason R and give the correct answer by using the codes given below. Assertion A. The general superintendence and administration of all matters relating to excise are vested in the Financial Commissioner under HP Excise Act 2011. Reason R. The Financial Commissioner has the power to establish or licensing of distilleries, breweries of warehouse, etc. in the state. Codes A. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is correct but R is wrong. D. A is wrong but R is correct. Correct answer A. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. Question 31. Which of the following is not a vehicle according to the definition of vehicle under Section 2 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972? A. Bull. B. Buffalo. C. Yak. D. Mule. Correct answer D. Mule. Question 32. Which of the following statements is are not correct? 1. National Board for Wildlife has been constituted by the central government with effect from 22/9/2004. 2. The Prime Minister is the chairperson of the National Board for Wildlife. 3. The office of the member of the National Board shall be deemed to be the office of profit under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. 4. The chairman of Human Rights Commission is a member of National Board for Wildlife Codes. A. Only one is not correct. B. 1, 2 and 3 are not correct. C. 1, 3 and 4 are not correct. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4 all are not correct. Correct answer C. 1, 3 and 4 are not correct. Question 33. The provision that no wild animal shall be ordered to be killed unless the chief wildlife warden is satisfied that such animal cannot be captured, tranquilized or translocated was inserted into Section 11 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 by A. Act 16 of 2003, B. Act 44 of 1991, C. Act 23 of 1982, D. Act 26 of 1993. Correct answer A. Act 16 of 2003. Question 34. Which of the following statement is correct? 1. Area comprised within any reserve forest or the territorial waters even can constitute as a sanctuary. 2. No person shall tease or molest any wild animal or litter the grounds of sanctuary. 3. The chief wildlife warden cannot grant to any person permission to enter in a sanctuary for photography. 4. A person can use in a sanctuary chemicals, explosives or any other substances with the permission of chief wildlife warden. Codes. A. Only 2 is correct. B. 2, 3 and 4 are correct. C. 1, 2 and 3 are correct. D. 1, 2, 3 and 4 all are correct. Correct answer A. Only 2 is correct. Question 35. Under which section of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 the provisions exist that no person shall tease, molest, injure or feed any animal or cause disturbance to the animals by nose or otherwise or litter the grounds in a zoo? A. Section 38H. B. Section 38J. C. Section 381. D. Section 38G. Correct answer B. Section 38J. Question 36. Match list 1 with list 2 and give the correct answer by using the codes given below. List 1. Definition of terms. List 2. Section of Indian Forest Act 1927. A. Tree. 1. Section 2. Clause 1. B. Forest produce. 2. Section 2. Clause 7. C. River. 3. Section 2. Clause 4. D. Cattle. 4. Section 2. Clause 5. Codes. A, B, C, D. A. 2, 3, 4, 1. B. 1, 2, 3, 4. C. 3, 4, 1, 2. D. 4, 1, 2, 3. Correct answer A. 2, 3, 4, 1. Question 37. Under which of the following sections of the Indian Forest Act 1927 the state government has the power to establish a forest code? A. Section 16. B. Section 17. C. Section 18. D. Section 19. Correct answer B. Section 17. Question 38. The district magistrate or any magistrate of the first class may try similarly any forest offence punishable with imprisonment for a term not exceeding A. 3 months, B. 6 months, C. 1 year, D. 1 month. Correct answer B. 6 months. Question 39. Match list 1 with list 2 and give the correct answer by using the codes given below. List 1. Provisions. List 2. Section of Indian Forest Act 1927. A. Power to impose duty on timber and other forest produce. 1. Section 62. B. Seizure of property liable to confiscation. 2. Section 32. C. Punishment for wrong seizure. 3. Section 39. D. Power to make rules for protected forests. 4. Section 52. Codes. A, B, C, D. A. 3, 4, 1, 2. B. 1, 2, 3, 4. C. 2, 3, 4, 1. D. 4, 1, 2, 3. Correct answer A. 3412. Question 40. Match list 1 with list 2 and give the correct answer by using the codes given below. List 1. Title of chapters. List 2. Chapter of Indian Forest Act 1927. A. Penalties and procedure. 1. Chapter 4. B. Of the control over forest and lands not being the property of government. 2. Chapter 8. C. Of protected forests. 3. Chapter 9. D. Of the collection of drift and stranded timber. 4. Chapter 5. Codes. A, B, C, D. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 4, 3, 2, 1. C. 3, 4, 1, 2. D. 2, 1, 4, 3. Correct answer C. 3, 4, 1, 2. Question 41. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court held that at the stage of farming of charged material and document filed by the accused cannot be considered? Material product produced by the prosecution alone is to be considered. Depriving the accused of the opportunity is not violative of Articles 20 and 14 of the Constitution. A. Anil Roy versus State of Bihar. B. State of Odisha versus Debendranath Pandhi. C. Beni Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh. D. Pratap Singh versus State of Jharkhand. Correct answer B. State of Odisha versus Debendranath Pandhi. Question 42. Match list 1 with list 2 and given the correct answer by using the codes given below. List 1. Definitions. List 2. Section of CRPC. A. Complaint. 1. Section 2 WD. B. Investigation. 2. Section 2D. C. Inquiry. 3. Section 2H. D. Victim. 4. Section 2G. Codes. A, B, C, D. A. 3241. B. 2341. C. 4123. D. 1234. Correct answer A. 3241. Question 43. Which one of the following has the power to pass a sentence of imprisonment for a term of 10 years under CRPC? A. The Court of Magistrate of First Class. B. The Court of a Chief Judicial Magistrate. C. An Assistant Session Judge. D. The Court of a Chief Metropolitan Magistrate. Correct answer C. An Assistant Session Judge. Question 44. Under Section 53 of the CRPC, examination of accused by medical practitioner is at the request of police officer of A. Not below the rank of inspector. B. Not below the rank of sub-inspector. C. Not below the rank of DSP. D. Not below the rank of SP. Correct answer B. Not below the rank of sub-inspector. Question 45. Procedure when police officer deputes his subordinate to arrest without warrant is given under A. Section 56, B. Section 55, C. Section 58, D. Section 59. Correct answer B. Section 55. Question 46. Match list 1 with list 2 and give the correct answer by using the codes given below. List 1, list 2. A. Security for keeping peace on conviction 1. Section 110 of CRPC. B. Security for good behavior from suspected persons 2. Section 107 of CRPC. C. Security for good behavior from habitual persons 3. Section 109 of CRPC. D. Security of keeping peace in other cases 4. Section 106 of CRPC. Codes. A, B, C, D. A. 2314. B. 4312. C. 1234. D. 4123. Correct answer B. 4312. Question 47. In which of the following cases the Supreme Court held that the law does not mandate talking of prior permission for further investigations or carrying out further investigation. Even after filing of charge sheet, it being a statutory right of police. A. State of AP versus AS Spector. B. Balbir Singh versus State of Delhi. C. State of UP versus Farid Khan. D. Union of India versus Padam Narayan Agarwal. Correct answer A. State of AP versus AS Pitter. Question 48. Which of the following statement is not correct? A. The term charge is defined in section 2B of CRPC. B. The charge should be clear and specific. C. It must refer to the section of the Indian Penal Code under which the offence charged is punishable. D. There is no need to write the charge in the language of the code. Correct answer D. There is no need to write the charge in the language of the code. Question 49. Which one of the following offences is tribal similarly under CRPC? A. Wrongful restraint. B. Objection in order to murder. C. House trespass. D. Offences that punishable with death, imprisonment for life or imprisonment for a term exceeding 2 years. Correct answer D. Offences that punishable with death, imprisonment for life or imprisonment for a term exceeding 2 years. Question 50. Anticipatory bail implies A. That the accused gives an undertaking to the police officer that he will be available for investigations provided he is not arrested. B. The direction by the magistrate to the police officer not to arrest the accused. C. The direction by the Sessions Court or the High Court to the police officer to release on bail an accused alleged to have committed the non-cognizable offence S. of in the event of his arrest on the terms and conditions which the court considers proper in the case. D. The direction by the High Court to the Session Court to release the accused immediately after arrest in a non-bailable offence. Correct answer is C. The direction by the Session Court or the High Court to the police officer to release on bail an accused alleged to have committed the non-cognizable offence S. in the event of his arrest on the terms and conditions which the court considers proper in the case.